As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Chilliz cost will hit $0.3 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $0.5 toward the finish of 2025. Chilliz will ascend to $0.7 inside the time of 2028 and $1 in 2032. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $8.70. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $1.1667, so the cost expanded by 92% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.47 and the year-to-year change plus 440%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 182%. In 2024, we hope to see $34 per 1 Chilliz. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $55. In the final part, the cost would add $03 and close the year at $58, which is plus 248% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $58 to $0.91, which is up 57%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $1.58, then take off to $0.61 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.64. That implies plus 284% from today. Chilliz forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $0.91 to $1.15, which is plus 26%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $0.91, then at that point take off to $0.97 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $0.96. It is about plus 476% from today. 02152 Chilliz value forecast 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.870. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.64, so the cost expanded by 22% from the outset of the year. The determined Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $23 and the year-to-year change plus 164%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 116%. In 2024, we hope to see $18 per 1 Chilliz. In the main portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $25. In the last part, the cost would add $01 and close the year at $26, which is plus 144% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $26 to $146, which is up 77%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $26, then take off to $29 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $28. That implies plus 163% from today. Chilliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $0.46 to $0.74, which is plus 61%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $0.46, then at that point take off to $0.49 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $52. It is about plus 389% from today. G212 Chilliz value forecast 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $8.70. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $985, so the cost expanded by 13% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $77 and the year-to-year change plus 139%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 111%. In 2024, we hope to see $25.91 per 1 Chilliz. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $22.95. In the last part, the cost would add $116 and close the year at $2411, which is plus 145% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $2411 to $4044, which is up 68%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $2411, then take off to $2653 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $554. That implies plus 159% from today. Chilliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $4044 to $6.99, which is plus 53%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $4.44, then at that point take off to $42.87 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $45.28. It is about plus 360% from today. 01152 Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.0854, so the cost diminished by 2% from the start of the year. The Guaj Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.2099 and the year-to-year change plus 26%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 29%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.0936 per 1 Chilliz. In the principal half of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $154. In the last part, the cost would add $1.62 and close the year at $2.2216, which is plus 42% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from 0.1 in 2016 to $0.1 in 1876, which is up 54%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $0.1 in 216, then take off to $0.1 in 270 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1 in 45. That implies plus 34% from today. Chilliz forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from 0.1 in 876 to $0.89, which is plus 11%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $1 in 876, then at that point dip to $1 in 1852 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1 in 748. It is about plus 105% from today. Shiranza 1204. Chilliz value forecast 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.86, so the cost diminished by 1% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.35 and the year-to-year change plus 30%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 32%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.0967 per 1 Chilliz. In the principal half of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $0.92. In the last part, the cost would add $0.65 and close the year at $1.257, which is plus 46% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $1.257 to $1.1940, which is up 54%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $1.257, then at that point take off to $1.1313 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.84. That implies plus 38% from today. Chilliz forecast 2031-2030.